Hi everyone, Namaste, this is Conny. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm in Ha Long Bay in Vietnam at the moment, and I wanted to share this moment with you because I received the most beautiful messages here. And yesterday we were at the Heavenly Cave, which is a beautiful cave. It was very, very intense. The energy was very magical, and there was so much information coming, and I almost felt overwhelmed with all the depth and the tense energy that I felt. And today we came back here and I danced at this beautiful bay, and I heard that actually this overwhelming feeling of beauty and depth and magic that I felt, and that almost made me feel sad that I have to leave soon and I cannot feel it all. And I felt like, I want to connect even more to this energy. And actually it told me that it is a reflection of myself. So whenever I see something outside that is so perfect, and it feels like I cannot really connect as much as I wanted to, and it feels like, it's so perfect, but I feel like I wanted more, and why doesn't it stay with me? It actually just means that it's the reflection of myself. So wherever we see so much beauty, it's just a reflection of all the beauty and all the abundance that we have inside of us. And so when we feel like this feeling of lack, that we cannot take it with us, or we want to be with a person, for example, and it's not possible for whatever reason, and we appreciate them so much. Actually, it's just the universe telling us how wonderful we are by showing it to us in this mirror on the outside. So instead of feeling this lack sometimes, especially I feel with another person, when you feel like you see so much perfection in them or so much beauty and you want to kind of keep it, you want to keep the connection, actually it just means that you have it yourself. So instead of feeling like, why am I maybe not good enough to be able to stay connected to this person or place or situation, it actually means the opposite. That's why it feels so heavy also, because it's not the truth. It's not what our higher self knows about us. It knows that we are all this abundance and all this beauty, and we don't have to feel bad or feel a lack of anything when we cannot keep the connection on the outside, because the only thing that matters is keeping the connection with our higher self, and then we'll see more and more abundance like that. It's not like it's only this place that is so beautiful, it's only this person that's so beautiful, but it's going to show up more and more when we stay connected to this. And also just dancing with the ocean told me that it's really about just letting all the abundance come to me. Like all the waves, they're just coming to me. My only task is to be there and to receive all the waves that are coming to me, the waves of abundance. And so all we got to do is just make sure that we are there. We're really fully present to receive all this abundance for us and all the gifts that we have been manifesting forever, and like we will keep manifesting so many beautiful things. And it's just a question of letting them in and being in the present moment to receive them. So thank you so much for being here with me, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste, have a good day.